simple chicken wings in air fry. So I'm going to put just a tiny bit of spices because I'm going to use the barbecue sauce after. So let's put our oven at 375. Let me reset it again. I'm gonna put 390. 20 minutes, but we'll adjust the time. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to use another 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. In fact, I'm going to use half a teaspoon of the garlic salt. We don't want too much salt. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it. Guys, I forgot to mention the olive oil. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Make it crisp. So the barbecue we are going to add after. When our cooking is done, we can add the barbecue. So we just mix it. Mix. Black pepper, salt, garlic powder. That's it. Don't overcrowd it. Give them space. Smells good already. They're going to fit. So that's it. Now we are going to flip them. They are almost done. Maybe 2 minutes. 2-3 minutes. Done. So now our wings are ready. The wings are ready. So we're going to put them on this one here. Then we put our barbecue sauce. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. So 375 for 30 minutes to be exact. 375, 30 minutes. If you have major air fryer. Now I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce. My barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be delicious. This is delicious. Let's flip them till the sauce is in. You want all of them to cover with sauce. Just like the one you order. The one you usually order, pizza. Look how beautiful they are. Just look how beautiful. You can surprise your guests. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is barbecue chicken. This is it. Look how beautiful, guys. What do you think? What do you think? A little bit of cabbage on the side. My wings. Then I'm going to have it with my rice. So this is what I'm having, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. This is it, and this is what I'm having right now with my rice. Bye bye.